welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about differentiation. So in order to talk about differentiation, we need to know what it is. So basically differentiation is just the gradient function, and it is expressed by the symbol dy by dx. That's just how it is, yo. So I'm just going to show you the easiest, or not really easiest, but the most basic way in which you can differentiate. There are other ways, such as the chain rule and the product rule and the chain rule, product rule, quotient rule, etc. There are other ways, of course, but today we're just going to talk about the most basic kind. So let's just get into this video. Okay, so let's continue. So these are the basic steps you need in order to differentiate. The first thing you need to do is multiply the power by the coefficient of the x, and the second step is to subtract 1 from the power. So we're going to look at a question that we're given. We're given y is equal to x squared, right? So first thing we're going to do is multiply the power by the coefficient of the x. You know, x is the same as 1x, so it's going to be 2 times 1, which would give you that 2 right there, 2x. And then you're going to subtract 1 from the power. The power right here would be the squared, and you're subtracting 1 from that power. So it's going to be 2x to the 1. But you know 2x to the 1 is just 2x, so you wouldn't have to write it back. So that's easy. That's the, yeah. We're going to do another example and continue. So now we have this question. Y is equal to the cube root of x to the 4th power, right? So we know according to indices you can just rewrite this. So that means that y should be equal to x to the 4 over 3. If you don't see how I get that, you need to go over your indices because you don't know what you're doing. I mean, I have another video on indices, so check that out. So we're going to follow the same steps, right? So first we're going to multiply the power by the coefficient of the x. So we have x to the 4 over 3, right? The power right there would be the 4 over 3. We're going to multiply the x by that same 4 over 3. So that's how we got the 4 over 3x, right? And then we're going to subtract 1 from the, what is this? Yeah, we're going to subtract 1 from the power. So if we do 4 over 3 minus 1, we're going to get 1/3. That's why when we differentiate, we'd get the 1/3 to the power. So in all, dy by dx would be 4 over 3x to the 1/3 power. So yeah, that's basically how you differentiate. I'm also going to go through differentiating sine and cosine, because those are just some basic things that you need to know for that, for differentiation in general. This is really just one of the most basic things. This is just basic stuff. Also, we have the product rule, the chain rule, quotient rule. I'll be going through those too. So just watch the videos, and yeah, I'm trying my best to explain. So yeah. Like and subscribe, sis. This is your teacher.